Hey guys, this is Tiny Buddy Jr. I'm here with the new unboxing of the Arm Blaster. Okay, let's get to this ASAP. Okay, we've got this coming in a sleek new packaging. Yeah, we've got plastic packaging. We don't want no plastic. Environment number fucking one. Okay, this comes in new and red. New shiny red for your shiny big biceps. Yeah! What you gotta do with this is this. Look yourself in the mirror. You're just like that. See them big pecs. Yeah! Yeah! Pull up the arm blaster. Double bicep in the chest. Double bicep. Yeah! Yeah! And we've got this new deal coming in. You buy the arm blaster and you get those wrist straps for free. Yeah!